Good morning, traders. Here I want to show you how to make a grab candle chart. You go in here, I've got this set up on the 1 minute chart and studies. What you do is you add a study, go to all studies, go to M, and you would go to the moving exponential average. And then you would have to come over here to edit your studies. As you can see, I've already got the 3 set up. So I'm just going to close this one out. But what you do here, you set your length to 34, and one of them you're going to have high. Then you also want to choose your color. Another one you want to have for 34 low, and you want to put it as a different color. And the third one you want to have as a close, and you're also going to want it as a different color. And this is what it gives you. It gives you a chart here showing the 34 exponential moving average every minute, the high, the open and the close price for the candle. This is a pretty good chart to scalp with. If you go and search for the code, you can find the code on the internet how to load in a grab candle setup that it has a lot of different colors in this. Let's see if I can find it here. If I've got it saved. I don't think I've actually got it saved. So, but anyway, the default colors is like 3 different colors of red, a green, and a blue, and the candles will change colors. With this version here, they don't change colors, but it'll still give you an idea of how it works. And when the market goes below the what I'll call the river, like I said, it will when it starts to move back up, it's time to go long. And when it's above and starts to come down through the river, it's a good time to go short. So hope you can incorporate that and use that for scalping.